on Ramadan.
Oh, it's a land of joy.
In Ramadan, Muslims do not eat or drink anything during the daylight hours, eating one meal, the Suhoor or Sehri, just before dawn, and another, the Iftar, after sunset. There are many alternative healthy food options for Iftar. In my region in the northern part of Nigeria, we usually take a light meal. Now, this light meal alternates between the hot and steamy kunus amia, which is a tamarind gruel with alele, also known as moin moin or steamed bean pudding. Otherwise, we may take kuningeda, which is a peanut gruel with kose or akara, also known as bean cakes. We love to mix up the menu to avoid the monotony in our Ramadan diet. Now, this steamy kunu, made up traditionally with corn, maize, or millet gruel, is sweetened with our own local brown sugar, also known as mazarquela. In some parts of Asia, this is called jaggery. I might even decide to sweeten this gruel with something else. Honey. Now, this is great. Honey is great for aiding digestion. Other healthier alternative iftar options are numerous. In some climes like India and the Middle East, instead of the fried treats, your alternative healthy iftar options could be air-fried or baked samosas and boiled dumplings. How about those commonly loved flatbreads? Could you make those chapatis and parathas without oil? How about lovely low-fat milk-based sweets and puddings like kia fruit pudding, fruit custard, quinoa parfait? And what about the ever-popular Lebanese fattoush? This is a Mediterranean salad made up of vegetables and pita bread. I am Dr. Hadiza, your friendly, holistic, reconstructive surgeon. Watch more on my fasting playlist and subscribe, like, and share the Medical Information channel.